course, manufacturer of dump flatbed transfer trailers and pneumatic tanks. Mac Trailer provides an ongoing solutions through its line of all different types of trailers and advanced engineering capabilities. As a national leader in trailer manufacturing, in our hot rod semi. Dodge Big Horns with 2 Peaks and 1 Dodge in this class of hot rod semis here tonight. Now fans in pulling, we measure to the front of that sled. It's not actually the pulling vehicle we measure to, it's to the front of that sled. All right, looks like we're ready to go. The Black Sheep, the Big Dodge out of West Virginia. That all-important time in the seat. That's what it's all about out there, fans. The track here with that Hillbilly Deluxe team. So 305 and 99. That is what he's got to be here tonight. 305.99. And of course, at the conclusion of this class, we'll roll right into our Super Farm class. Will be next up in our lineup here tonight. The 9,300-pound Super Farm tractor. They saw something in that track over here on the left-hand side of that track. Definitely got locked in. You saw that front end come up, fans, and it was off to the races here tonight. So we wait on the measurement. Once again, fans, we measure to the front of the sled here. Shoot the distance off, get it back here. And it's a good one. Of the night looks like going to be Landon Perkins coming to us out of Owenton, Kentucky. And this truck here just south of the Cincinnati, Ohio area, Peterbilt. We ran this afternoon in the Pro Stock 4-1 semi-truck class out of Owenton, Kentucky. Landon Perkins, he's going to be our test puller to get things going. We got any Peterbilt fans out there tonight? Come on, cheer them on. Making its way here to the starting line. Once again, 20,000 pounds, the heaviest class in pulling. Back down. All right, here we go, fans. The Black Sheep will give it another go. The Dodge Bighorn. And once again, the Black Sheep having trouble right off the start line, fans. A tough break there, and we'll have to wait and see. All right, so that will bring us up here to the Peterbilt indoor poll. Held every March down there in Louisville, Kentucky with the Watch this truck. He'll lift that front end up and get it locked into the track. Here we go, fans. Last act. Fans, let's give a nice round of applause. Chris Wood in the class act out of Shreve, Ohio. Able to go back to pulling action here. All right, still checking here on the Black Sheep truck out over there tonight. As Spencer Rook brings out that Hillbilly Deluxe. Now, once again, 291.80 is the mark to beat here. 291.80. Closer than we think down there. We see right about that Lee distance marker down there. The big question, did he go far enough? 291.80 is what he had to beat. And this is coming in here from the Blazer. 302.56 fans, our winner. And with that double win here tonight, he is going to be the overall winner here this weekend. Overall weekend.